Tesla gets nearly $150 million in EU funding for Supercharger network. Tesla will receive roughly $150 million from the European Union to install and replace 7,198 charging points with an output of 250 kilowatts each at 687 locations. In 22 countries on the old continent, the European Commission announced. In total, the Alternative Fuels Infrastructure Facility (AFIF) call for proposals saw 26 projects selected for a total EU grant support of over $377 million. With the American EV company getting 2 projects approved, one submitted by Tesla Italy and one by Tesla Poland. Thus, the Elon Musk-led firm got the biggest share of the total funding available, roughly 44%. The Italian subsidiary's project aims to deploy 6,458 recharging points capable of delivering 250 kilowatts each in 613 locations in 16 countries. Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Germany, Spain, Finland, France, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Netherlands, Romania, Slovakia, and Sweden. Along the core and comprehensive road network. At the same time, the Polish subsidiary will receive funding from the EU to install or replace 740 recharging points. With an output of 250 kilowatts each in 6 countries: Czechia, Greece, Croatia, Hungary, Poland, and Slovenia. European Commissioner for Transport Adina Voulian said, "The numerous applications for AFIF funding received underline the transport industry's interest in pushing ahead with the switch to more sustainable transport on roads, in the sky and at sea. Our investment of €20 352 million will translate into approximately 12,000 charging points, 18 hydrogen refueling stations, and the electrification of ports and airports, including the Port of Rotterdam and 37 Spanish airports." This latest round of EU grants comes after the Council of the European Union adopted a new set of rules intended to make life easier for drivers of electric vehicles, mandating that from 2025 on, fast charging stations of at least 150 kilowatts for cars and vans need to be installed every 37 miles. 60 kilometers along the Union's main transport corridors known as the Trans-European Transport (TEN-T) network. Furthermore, the new law says that charging stations placed along the most important roads linking major cities and nodes, known as the TEN-T core network, will have to be capable of delivering a total output of at least 400 kilowatts by the end of 2025. With at least one stall that's capable of at least 150 kilowatts on its own. Although the official documents don't mention it, it's likely that Tesla will install its V4 superchargers either at new locations or replacing older units with the money received from the EU, as they're capable of 250 kilowatts and offer a contactless payment option, which is also a requirement of the new regulation. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.